Timing is everything, and how you edit video will determine if your movie works. Once you've created a set of clips and put them into a sequence, timing will determine whether they make people laugh, cry, or sit there bored and disengaged. Adjusting the start and end times of one or more of your clips, called trimming, is how you perfect timing. In Premiere Pro, you can change the timing for a section of a single clip, or one that is already part of a sequence. It just takes a few easy steps. Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9to5 Software. In this video, we're going to learn how to trim and cut in Adobe Premiere Pro. Links to the latest version of the app is available in the description. If you have other questions you need answers to, please tell us in the comments or visit 9to5software.com. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Editors develop their own personal workflow preferences, but there are two video trimming methods for working on your sequence. You can trim your clips in your timeline sequence for a wider view of your edits, or you can use trim mode in the program monitor for a 2-up view that allows you to do frame by frame trimming. There are two ways to trim a clip. You can trim a clip so that the whole video project is shorter. Shortening the clip shortens the whole video. This is called a ripple edit. Or you can move a cut by shortening one clip, while you extend the clip next to it, trimming two clips at once. This is called a rolling edit. It keeps your whole project the same length. Use the razor tool for splitting or deleting part of a clip. If you want to split a video or audio clip into or remove a segment in the middle of a clip, such as eliminating a sound gap in your audio, you can use the razor tool to split or slice out a segment of the clip. The razor tool is ideal for editing longer clips, like interview segments. You can bring the entire clip into the timeline and use the razor tool to make cuts to the clip. It's called a razor because in the traditional film editing process, a tape was literally sliced with a razor blade to remove unwanted pieces of the film or rearrange segments of a film. To do these cuts in Premiere Pro, in the tool palette, click on the razor tool, which looks like a razor blade. For a shortcut, you can also press C on your keyboard. Your cursor will change to a small razor icon while you are using this tool. Click on the video clip at the point where you want to cut it, or cut the clip multiple times to create a segment in the middle that you can remove. Then click on the selection tool in the tool palette. The keyboard shortcut is the V key, so you can select one of the segments to move or delete it. Delete the selection you've made by clicking it and pressing delete on your keyboard. That is all for this video everyone, big thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing. See you next time.